Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So issue with the opening browsing after Windows update. So if you are updated after the update you are getting in the browsing. So click to start and then click on setting. Then click to app, install app. Search, you can search which browser you are using. Okay. Otherwise click on three dot and then click to uninstall it. Okay. So you are using Microsoft, click to modify and then click to repair it. Then it is completed, 100% done. Then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you. Now this is installing.